Chinnukuta, I love you so much. You're going to have a great life ahead. She knows Telugu. She understands Telugu, ma'am. But
No, because you spoke fully, so later on, like, I was thinking.
first met her in OPD. She was an intern there. Was sitting and asking some random questions. అలా అక్కడ చూసి తెలిసిందనమాట తను ఎవరని. ఊరికే మాట్లాడుతున్నాం అట్లాగే ఏం చేయాలి అనేసి, తను ఏం కేసు చూడాలి ఎట్లా చేయాలని చెప్తున్నది. ఇప్పుడు ఒక అనిపించింది అట్లా సడన్గా. దానిపైన పెద్దగా ఏం లేదు అట్లాగే థింక్ మచ్ అట్ దట్ టైమ్. Then slowly started seeing her, then she started seeing me. అట్లాగే మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. We started building up. Then somehow I don't know how it happened. So,
പ്രതീക്ഷയെക്കാട്ടിലും വളരെ ഒരു നല്ലൊരു വ്യക്തിയാണ്. നല്ല പെരുമാറ്റവും ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും വളരെ
ഇഷ്ടമായി.
ഫാമിലിയും എല്ലാം
ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമായി. ആകെ ഒരു വിഷമം അകലിയായി മോള്
ദൂരായെന്നുള്ളൊരു പ്രശ്നം മാത്രമല്ല, ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം ഓക്കെയാണ്.
సూటిగా చెప్పలేను, చాటుగా దాచలేను, తీరని ప్రేమ నేను నిన్నెలా చేరుకోను. ఎందుకొచ్చావో నువ్వు నాలోకి, వేల రంగుల్లోన వెలిగాని ఊపిరిచ్చావే గుండెలోగిలికి, వెండి మబ్బుల్లోన తిరిగి.
When you talk about Shama, people think that she's an introvert, but actually she's not. We all know how she is, right? Yes. She has a lot of talent, but she won't show her talent directly. The first time when we saw our school, ഞാൻ സ്കൂളിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല ആള് ഒത്തിരി ഓ മൈ ഗോഡ് ഡാൻസ് കളിക്കുന്നോ അങ്ങനെ അറിയണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. ബട്ട് പിന്നീടൊരു ഇതിൽ മോണാക്ട് ഷീ പ്രസൻറ്റഡ് വെരി വെൽ. അപ്പോഴാണ് ആളുടെ ടാലൻസ് ഒക്കെ ഞങ്ങൾ സ്കൂൾ മേറ്റ്സ് അറിയുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ വി വർ ജസ്റ്റ് ലിറ്റിൽ ബിറ്റ് സ്ട്രേഞ്ചേഴ്സ്. സെക്കൻഡ് ഇയർ ആയപ്പോഴാണ് ലൈക്ക് വി വർ വെരി ക്ലോസ്. അത് ലൈക്ക് Shama is someone who do all the adventurous and will be the back ആയിട്ട് ആളുടെ കൂടെ ഉണ്ടാവും എപ്പോഴും.
బెస్ట్ మూమెంట్ అంటే దే ఆర్ మెనీ మూమెంట్స్. నాకు మంచిగా ఒక గుర్తున్న మూమెంట్ అంటే ఒకసారి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ అట్లా చూస్తున్నాం, విషు అనుకుంటాం, ప్లానింగ్ టు గో సమ్వేర్ అవుట్ అంటే మళ్ళీ అక్కడ సడన్లీ డెంట్ ప్లాన్ ఇట్. తను ఎక్కడికో వెళ్దామని చెప్పింది అనమాట. అక్కడ ఒక కేరళ రెస్టారెంట్ ఉంది. సో షీ థాట్ యూ బోత్ విల్ హ్యావ్ సద్యా టుగెదర్. దట్ వాజ్ లైక్ సమ్ టైమ్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్. మూమెంట్ వాస్ లైక్ ఓకే ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా ఫ్యూచర్ ఎట్లా ఉంటామో ఇట్ గేవ్ మీ దాట్ ఫీల్ అనమాట. దట్ ఐ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ దట్ మూమెంట్ అని. సో వీ హ్యాడ్ ద హోల్ నైట్ అట్లా వెళ్ళి మొత్తం అక్కడ సద్య తిని లంచ్ తిని మళ్ళీ మొత్తం తిరిగి అక్కడ పాండిచేరిలో మొత్తం అట్లా మంచిగా ఉండింది ఆ మూమెంట్. సో ఐ విల్ రిమెంబర్ దట్ సద్య మూమెంట్ అలాట్. హలో, yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready? Yeah, we'll go out it seems. Morning we went right there. I'm coming out.
వెన్నెలా వెన్నెలా వెళ్ళిపోకే, ఊహల సునామీ రేపి, నన్నెలా నన్నెలా గిల్లిపోకే, ఊపిరి కసేపు ఆపి, నీ పేరు పిలిచా నా దారి మరిచా, నే నన్ను
ചിന്നുവിന്റെ കല്യാണമായിട്ട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്, അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഇവര് തമ്മിലുള്ള അറ്റാച്ച്മെന്റ് അത്ര അമ്മയും അച്ഛനും
ഞാൻ +2 ചിന്നു 8 വരെ ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരുമിച്ച് നിന്നിട്ടുള്ളൂ. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടും എല്ലാം ഹോസ്റ്റൽ ലൈഫായിരുന്നു. ഇടയിൽ കാണും, ഒരു 2 മാസം കാണും, അങ്ങനെ ഭയങ്കര ഗ്യാപ്പായിരുന്നു. ഇത്രയും നാൾ അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയായിരുന്നു. 1 വർഷമായിട്ട് അവള് വീട്ടിലുണ്ട്. ഒരു 1 year ആയിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരുമിച്ചാണ്. അപ്പോൾ കൂടുതൽ വിഷമം ഇപ്പോൾ ഹോസ്റ്റൽ ലൈഫൊക്കെ ആയിരുന്നപ്പോൾ ഓക്കെ ആയിരുന്നു, കാരണം ഇടയ്ക്ക് കാണുള്ളൂ, അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ആയിരുന്നു. പക്ഷെ ഇപ്പോൾ 1 year ആയിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ ടുഗദർ ഒരുമിച്ചായിരുന്നു നിൽക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഭയങ്കര ഫീലിങ്സ് ഇപ്പോൾ കൂടുതലാണ്.
പിന്നെ ചിന്നു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് കുറച്ച് ആള് കാം ആൻഡ് ക്വൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആളാണ്. ഇവള് കാവ്യ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ടെൻഷനൊക്കെ പെട്ടെന്ന് വരും. ചിന്നു ആള് ഭയങ്കര സ്ട്രോങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരാളാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവൾക്കാണെങ്കിൽ എപ്പോഴും എല്ലാ കാര്യത്തിനും ചിന്നുവിന് ആവശ്യമാണ്. ഒരു അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ഡ്രസ്സ് എടുക്കാൻ പോയാൽ പോലും, പർച്ചേസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോയാൽ പോലും ചിന്നു ആണ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം. ചിന്നുവിന്റെ അഭിപ്രായം വേണം, അതൊരു മസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ആവശ്യം. ആ വീട്ടിലൊരു അതൊരു അത്യാവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യം, ചിന്നുവിന്റെ അഭിപ്രായം.
Miss Shama.
ഞാൻ കരയും ചിലപ്പോൾ.
That's all we want to say, and be happy. Yeah. Be happy with your partner.
No, എന്റെ മേക്കപ്പ് അല്ല, നാട്ടിലല്ലല്ലോ. എന്റെ മേക്കപ്പ് ഞാൻ കഴിയില്ല.
കാമയുടെയും അരുണിന്റെയും വിവാഹ ജീവിതം മംഗളമായിട്ടെന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
Wish you a happy married life for Shyama and Arun.
അരുണും ചിന്നുവിനും ശ്യാമയ്ക്കും ഞങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവിധ വിവാഹ ആശംസകളും.
మ్యారేజ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో, లైక్ ఇన్నవరకు బాగుండింది. సడన్గా ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం భయం వేస్తుంది, రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ అవన్నీ. బట్ అవన్నీ పెడితే కూడా లైక్ ఒక బటర్ఫ్లై మూమెంట్ ఫీలింగ్ వస్తుంది సడన్గా. అది హ్యావ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయ్యేది అక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుందని చెప్పని తెలిస్తేనే బాగుంటుంది అనుకుంటా. ఇప్పుడైతే బోత్ మిక్స్డ్ రియాక్షన్ ఉన్నాయి. కొంచెం భయంగా ఉంది, కొంచెం ఎట్లయితే ఏమవుతుందో తెలియదు. కొంచెం సమ్హౌ లైక్ ఓకే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఎ న్యూ ఫేజ్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్, అది అట్లా ఇంకొక జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందని బాగుంటుంది అనిపిస్తుంది. చూద్దామని ఎట్లా ఉందని చెప్పండి.